So today I'm going to be making a turkey. So we have salt, we have parsley, marjoram, all that carrots cut up, and this here is a grass-fed organic turkey. So we're gonna cook this up. And this thing is huge and heavy. So it's about, I think it was 18 pounds. That's the smallest they had. So yeah, so we're gonna get it ready, put in the thing, and put all the herbs around it. And I'm gonna be stuffing these Meyer lemons into it. So, all right, turkey's all set up. I put some bouillon on the bottom here, turkey or chicken stock, and as you can see, it's well seasoned. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover it in some tin foil and let it cook for at least three and a half hours. So this is 18 pounds. I think it's gonna be 3.5 or 4 hours. So. And yeah, we'll do a quick taste test. These are the gizzards I'm gonna put on the side. I'm gonna give that to the cat later. So, yeah, so he might enjoy that. So, all right, well, we'll cook it up. I also stuffed a whole bunch of lemons inside the little opening there. So I didn't make any stuffing or anything. So, all right, so we're gonna be making a chicken now. This is a Country Lane's chicken. It's basically a grass-fed organic chicken. As you can see, I put it in the Instant Pot. So I'm gonna cook this in the Instant Pot this time. I'm gonna make it with a Chinese 5-spice here that I got, and then it'll have aroma of like that Peking duck, sort of like barbecue duck. Yeah, like the Chinese barbecue duck flavor. So I'm gonna be putting a little bit of broth on the bottom, and hopefully it turns out well. I've never tried this, so. All right, I'll be back, guys. 5 spices all on in there, and I'm gonna put it in Instant Pot. Instant Pot's ready here. So yeah, I'll be right back, and I might even put some salt and pepper on top. So, all right, guys, the chicken is all done, as you can see from the Instant Pot. It smells pretty good. It smells like it has a nice spices to it. And I'm gonna do a quick taste test right now. Just gonna rip off a little bit of meat off the thigh here. And then we'll do a quick taste test, see what it tastes like. There it is, as you can see. Okay. The chicken has a lot of flavor. And it's really lean. Yeah, definitely check it out, guys. Have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. Alright, guys, so here's the turkey all done. Let's do a quick taste test. We'll just take off a little bit of meat from the top here. It took a long time to cook the turkey, so there it is. That's a tasty turkey. Let me give you a better show. Yeah, there you go. The meat is nice. It's really flavorful. And it's got this lean taste to it. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.